This hack makes perfectly chewy or crispy bacon easily every time. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. I've taken the sheet from my toaster oven here and lined it with some aluminum foil. This is just going to help everything stay nice and clean. I've also got a piece of parchment paper here so nothing sticks, but you can use your favorite baking tray to do this. Shouldn't be a problem. Next, start taking your rashers of bacon and laying them out. You want them to be nice and close, edge to edge, but make sure that they're not overlapping. You want everything to cook nice and evenly. Also, if you want to put a little bit of brown sugar or some pepper or some chili on it, this would be the time. One major key to success here is that you actually start out with a cold oven. You do not want to preheat it, and it's one of the few times I'll ever tell you to do that. Put your bacon in, and then we're going to turn the oven on. This will help render the fat slowly as the temperature comes up and cook a little bit more evenly. We're going to set the temperature to 375 degrees and let it cook. For chewy bacon perfection, you're going to pull it out after about 12 to 15 minutes of cooking. You can see the fat has rendered out amazingly, the bacon is nice and chewy, and is completely cooked all the way through. Now, if you're one of those people that likes a crispy piece of bacon, you're actually going to cook this for a total of about 17 to 20 minutes. You don't need to pull it out halfway through and flip over the pieces. I'm just doing that to show you that you can make it chewy or crispy. After an additional 5 minutes of cooking, the bacon looked beautiful, so I went ahead and stopped it and pulled it out here. The fat is rendered out nicely, the bacon is cooked evenly and perfectly. Just take a look at these rashers. We're going to transfer them onto some paper towels to blot up any of that extra grease back before we eat. I'm no Kermit the Frog, but Miss Piggy is looking very tasty today. Not only does this technique make perfectly cooked bacon each time, but it's a great way to make a ton of bacon all at once, a lot more than you can cook inside your frying pan. And don't throw away that bacon grease, save it, and when you have enough, you can make this amazing bacon mayonnaise recipe right here. And since I know you guys love bacon just as much as I do, you absolutely must check out my bacon jam recipe. Trust me, this is one you can't miss. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see y'all again here next time on the next episode of Minimalist Gourmet.